Good morning, class. Before we start our discussion, may I ask Miss Mylene to lead us a prayer. Amen. Thank you for leading us a prayer. Next is anybody absent for today? Very good. Before we're moving to the discussion, let me first show you a figure and answer the following question. First question is, what shape is represented by the figure? And the second question is, how many sides are represented by the figure? So first picture. Correct. It's a triangle and it has a 3 sides. Second picture. Correct. It is a square and it has a 4 sides. Third picture. Very good. It is a pentagon and it has a 5 sides. Last picture. Correct. It is a octagon and it has a 8 sides. So, ngayon, base doon sa mga figure na hinulaan nyo kanina, ano sa tingin nyo ang ating lesson ngayon? Is anyone who want to answer? Correct. It is a kind of polygon. These are our learning objective for this lesson. Everybody please read. Thank you for reading. So it says there that at the end of the lesson, you must know how to identify, how to illustrate, and how to appreciate the kinds of polygon in a real life situation. Before we're going to discuss the definition and all the kinds of polygons, let's first have a game. So, ang first game natin is, kapag ito ay polygon, pwede kayong mag-action ng heart. And kapag ito ay hindi polygon, pwede kayong mag-action ng like. Okay, class, understand? Let me show you a figure and you must answer if it is a love or a like. So, first figure. Correct. It is a love. Second figure. Correct. It is a like. Third figure. Yes, it is a love again. Fourth figure. It is a like. And the last figure. Yes, it is a love figure. Now, class, can we identify what are the figure that with side and without a side, or the figure that has no side? So, kanina, nagpakita ako ng mga figure na sinagutan natin ng love at like sign. So, ngayon, yung mga figure na iyon ay sagutan naman natin ngayon at ipunta natin sa column na with side and no side. So, ang first figure natin kanina ay triangle. So, saan mapupunta ang triangle? Sa no side or sa with side? Very good. Napunta siya sa with side. Ang next natin is yung circle. Saan siya mapupunta? Sa no side or sa with side? Correct. Pupunta siya sa no side. Ang next natin is dodecagon. So, ang dodecagon ay isang shape ng polygon. So, saan siya mapupunta? Sa no side or sa with side? Correct. Mapupunta siya sa with side. Ang next natin is yung heart. Saan kabilang yung heart? Correct. Siya ay kabilang sa no side. Ang last natin ay hexagon. So, saan mapupunta si hexagon? Correct. Siya ay mapupunta doon sa with side. So now, based on the figure that we have classified earlier, how can we say that the figure is a polygon? Anybody who want to answer? Very good. We call it a polygon when all sides and all angles are congruent. So, let me present you the example of a polygon. So, anyone who want to answer what shape is this? Correct. It is a hexagon. And why do we say that the figure is a polygon? Anyone? Yes, it is because it has a 2 centimeter sides and 120 degrees angle. And as we say earlier, that we call it a polygon if all the sides and angles are congruent. So, polygon has a 2 types, and we call it the regular and irregular polygon. So, it says here that a regular polygon is a polygon in which all the interior angles are equal and all the sides are equal. So, masasabi natin na isang figure o isang shape ay polygon kapag ang angles niya at yung sides niya ay magkakapareho. Lahat sila ay magkakapareho. So, yan yung tinatawag nating regular polygon. So, next is the irregular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon with a different measure of angles and side length. So, masasabi din natin na ito ay a regular polygon kapag yung mga sides, angles are magkakapareho. Kasi meron tayong mga triangle na mas mahaba yung isang side, mas maliit yung isang side, tas meron din yung hindi magkakapareho yung mga angles nila. So, let me present you some example of that regular and irregular polygon. So, makikita natin dito na yung mga regular polygons at yung mga irregular polygons niya. Ito yung mga halimbawa. So, hindi natin masasabi na ang polygon ay isa lang yung way natin sa pag-drawing dito. Meron siyang irregular na pag-drawing o yung hindi pagkakapareho ng mga sides at angle. Yan yung irregular polygon. And yung regular polygon is yung mga magkakapareho lang yung mga sided. So, ito yung mga example niya. At ito din yung mga example ng polygon. Meron siyang 12 which are the heptagon with 7 side, octagon with 8 side, nagon with 9 side, decagon with 10 side, and decagon with 11 side, and dodecagon with 12 side. Polygon are also classified as convex and non-convex. We can call the polygon as a convex if the segment is joining any 2 points on the polygon lies completely inside of it. Otherwise, the polygon is non-convex or concave. So, ito yung halimbawa niya, itong figure dito. Makikita natin yung different ng convex and non-convex. So, dito sa convex, makikita natin na puro straight line lang. Wala siyang curve. Hindi siya nag-zigzag or what na curve. Tas dito sa non-convex polygon, meron siyang zigzag line before siya makabuo ng isang shape. Tas kapag diniretso mo tong line na nagpa-zigzag or nagpa-V sa kanya, pwede siyang makabuo ng isang shape na convex polygon. Katulad na lang nito. So, did we see the difference between the two? Very good. So, let's move on to the next. Our next is kung paano natin nasasabi na ang isang figure ay polygon. So, may tatlo tayo ditong klase ng angles. So, first is the interior angles. Everybody please read. Thank you. So it says here that interior angle is an angle on the inside of a polygon formed by each pair of adjacent side. So, ito yung halimbawa natin doon sa interior angle. So, interior angle is inside the polygon. Doon siya sa loob ng polygon nakaka-form ng angle, hindi doon sa labas. Kasi kapag dito sa labas, masasabi din meron siyang ibang term. Next is central angle. Central angle is an angle formed by the segment joining consecutive vertices to the center of a regular polygon. So, ito ulit yung example niya. So, parang sa pizza. Kapag hinati-hati mo yun, makaka-form siya ng angle. So, central angle is makaka-form siya dun sa gitna ng cut nating pizza. Yun yung example niya. Last is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is an angle formed by a side and an extension of adjacent side of a regular polygon. So, ito naman yung halimbawa niya. So, naka-form siya, diba, ng angle kapag nag-extend yung line niya. Any line na mag-extend sa figure na iyon ay makaka-form siya ng angle, and ang angle na iyon is masasabi natin exterior. Exterior is nasa labas ng polygon. Yan yung exterior angle. Next is in real life situation, we can see a polygon figure while traveling, eating, making arts, and sport. Now, let me give you an example so that after me, you can say also what you think. Is it okay, class? Okay. So, let me show you a figure that are example of a real life polygon. This figure, yung mga nakikita natin dun sa daan, sa highways na example natin is dun sa mga signals. Dito yung stop, yung nagamit dito is mga polygon shapes. Next is sa jewelry diamond. Meron ditong mabubuong mga polygon. Tas sa mga chips, kung minsan, everyday natin itong nagiging pagkain, mas especially kapag tayo ay naboboring o wala tayong ginagawa o nanonood lang, meron yung kumakain tayo ng chips para makaiwas ng pagka-boring. And yung soft ball, yung ginagamit nila sa paglalaro doon sa mga soccer ball. Now, anyone who can relate the different types of polygon in real life? Yes. Lanterns. Yes, lanterns are one kinds of polygon. Correct. Window. Yes. Kite is also a polygon. Ngayon, magtatanong ako ng question at sasagutin nyo. Yung mga nakasagot, sila yung mga nakikinig talaga sa lesson natin. At yung mga hindi nakasagot, maybe sa susunod, makinig kayo para may matutuhan kayo. So, first question is, what are the 10 kinds of polygon that we discussed? So, anyone? Yes. The 10 kinds of polygon that we discussed earlier are the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, andecagon, and dodecagon. Next question. How do we know if a polygon is irregular? Correct. Masasabi natin na ito ay regular polygon kapag meron siyang magkakapareho ng angles at side. Next question natin. How about irregular polygon? Paano natin masasabi na ang isang figure ay irregular polygon? Anyone? Yes, masasabi natin na ito ay irregular polygon kapag yung mga sides and yung mga sides ng polygon ay hindi magkakapareho. Next question is, how are we going to apply polygon in our real life situation? O meron ba tayong nakikitang mga figure o mga iba't ibang bagay na nabubuo yung polygon? Yes, Ismailin? Yes, meron. Kasi in our daily life, meron at merong mga bagay na nakakabuo ng mga figure na kung minsan ito din ay nakakabuo ng mga polygon figure at iba pang mga klase ng shapes. Now, open your Google Classroom and I already upload there your activity. That's it for today, class, and I hope you have an advanced reading on our next lesson this coming Wednesday. So, thank you, class, for joining our online discussion. Goodbye.